Hello students. In last period we study about lines parallel to the x-axis and line parallel to the y-axis, and we draw the graph of linear equations on graph paper. Also we draw the graph of linear equations in general form. If we solve the some questions in practice set 7.2. First question is on a graph paper, plot the point A 30, B 33 and C is 03 and join the AB and BC. What is figure form? Means we draw this x-axis and vertically y-axis. On x-axis we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and left to the y-axis we write -1, -2, -3 and -4. Above the x-axis on y-axis we write 0, 1, 2, 3 and below to the x-axis is -1, -2, -3 and -4. We plot the point A is 30, means x coordinates of A is 3 and y is 0. We write this point is A is 30. Then we plot the point B is 33, means x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is also 3. This point B is 33. If we also draw the point C is 03, means on x-axis we write 0 and y-axis is C. This point is C, coordinates of C is 03. Join the A and B. This is point A and this is point B. This is point A and this is point B. And also we join the point B and C. What is the figure formats? Means if we call this origin is O, then this is AO. Distance of AO is 1, 2, 3 and distance of AB is also 1, 2, 3. Similarly, the distance of point BC is also 1, 2, 3. The name of the figure is ABCO is square because this line AB is parallel to the y-axis and also the BC is also parallel to the x-axis. Therefore, we write the figure is quadrilateral ABCO is a square because every length of sides is 3 and all angles to the A, B, C and D is a right angle triangle. Therefore, this figure is square. This is first question. The point Q -3, 2 lies on line parallel to the y-axis. If we write the question 4, Question 4 is the point Q is -3 -2 lies on a line parallel to the y-axis write the equation of a line and draw its graph means in this figure also solve on graph paper. We use graph paper. Vertically axis is y-axis and horizontal axis is x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is 0. We write 1, 2, 3 and 4. -1, -2, -3 and -4. This is 1, 2, 3. Also we write 1, 2, 3. The point Q is -3 -2 means this is point Q is -3 and -2. X is lies on -3 and the coordinate of Q is -2. Means this point is Q. The coordinate of Q is -3 -2. This point Q lies on line parallel to the y-axis. Means if we draw the lines parallel to the y-axis, this is a line L is parallel to the y-axis and point Q lies on this line L is -3 -2. Therefore the equations of this line L is how to calculate the equations of the line parallel to the y-axis is x is equal to -3, because every equations to the parallel y-axis is x is equal to a, but value of a is -3. Therefore equations of this line L is x is equal to -3. This is the graph of question number 4. We also study the question number 2 and 3 is write the equations of a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance 7 unit from it to its left. म्हणजे y-axisला समांतर असणाऱ्या रेषेचं समीकरण आपल्याला काढायचे आहे. This equation is also x is equal to a, but value of a is 7, but this 7 is lies on left to the y-axis Therefore value of b is minus x is equal to a. The value of a is minus 7. Therefore graph of these equations is x is equal to minus 7. And in third questions, write the equations are parallel to the x axis, the distance 5 unit from the below the x axis. x axis ला पॅरलल असणाऱ्या रेषेचं समीकरण लिहायचे. दिस इज इक्वेशन इज y इज इक्वल टू, बट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ b is minus 5 because this 5 unit is below to the x axis. Therefore equation is y is equal to minus 5 is the equation of this question. Thank you.